seen how to install Angular onto your system. So in this video we will see how to create a project in Angular, how you can create your first project using command line on command prompt or Visual Studio CLI. We will see that. So for creating your project, what we need to do is we will go to command prompt. So we have downloaded Angular. If you want to see how to install Angular onto your system, you can check my previous video. So we have downloaded Angular, and we have checked the version by ng version. Okay, so in this we will create a project for our Angular application. So first of all, I'll change the directory to desktop. I just want to create my project of Angular onto desktop. Now I'll create the project. So there is a command for creating a project of Angular, that is ng-new. So the ng-new is the command followed by the project name. So whatever project you want to give, you need to just give it a name. I'll name it as let's say I want to name it as mobile apps. Any name you can give, ng-new and then the project name. So after this, it will ask you, would you like to add Angular routing? You can choose yes or no. Say it as an no. Again, press enter. So it will install this many packages. It will take time. I'll write the command to create a first project. I'll write it as how to create your first Angular project. I'll write. So the command for this is ng-new followed by the project name. So it has downloaded this much packages. So it is saying Git is not recognized as an internal external command, operable program or batch file. So just ignore this message here. And since we have created that first Angular project, now we need to compile it. So first of all, so for compiling the project, you need to type a command, that is ng-serve. Yeah. So after creating the project by ng-new this project name, and if you will try to compile this project like ng-serve, so it will give you some error here. So what you need to do is you need to switch to that project cd and then that project name. So our project name is mobile apps. So we need to switch to the project directory. Now we are inside this mobile application. Now I'll write the command ng-serve. So this will compile all the packages. So it's compiling. ng new project name, then you need to switch to the directory of the project. I'll write switch to the project directory. By cd and then project name, and then the third command you need to type is ngcert to compile the packages. Ngsurf. So it is saying me and compiled successfully. So on going to this URL http://localhost 4200, you can find that Angular link here. So whatever changes you will be doing in your application, that will be visible on this URL. Okay, you just need to type this one http://localhost and then 4200. So it has compiled successfully. Now we will check where is our Angular app. I'll go back. I'll go to desktop. This is the project created. Okay, so this one is the Angular project which we have just created. I'll go inside this. So there are so many files here. Node modules, src. So now if you want to open this Angular project, you need to go to Visual Studio Code or any editor. I'll go to my Visual Studio Code. And I will open that project from here, which we have just created. This is the application. This is the project which we have created. So we are now inside this mobile application. We have opened this project inside Visual Studio Code. So now if you want to edit something, you can go and edit from here. There is the src. So many files are there. So this is the way we create our Angular project. Again, you can create the same using this terminal, using Visual Studio Code terminal. Okay, so you just need to go to terminal, new terminal, and from here you can create the same project from this terminal. Okay, you just need to type the same command which we have typed in command prompt. Thank you guys. I hope this will help. So this was our command. Thank you.